So here's a quick guideline on how to use the mockup generator. First thing, you can pick any type of a garment, or you can upload your own. If you upload your own, you can just drop it and put the garment name. Let's say you're using one of our pre-selected garments. So let's say a t-shirt. You can choose and change colors. Now this section really, it's for your customers. What do I mean? This is where you're showing a proposal to your customer. So you're gonna tell your customer that you're gonna print him 50 smalls and 25 mediums and 10 large and 15 extra large. Now you're gonna print him 50 small, orange, red, green, blue. So this is the first step if you want to use the proposal section. This is not mandatory, you can just jump it, but if you want to use it, I'll show you how it looks at the end.